Good Monday morning, Octopus Nation. Well, WorkHorse cut me a big old fat check last night, so I decided I would do another hype video. They secured $200 million in financing from institutional lenders this morning. Greater access to capital will enable company to increase manufacturing volume and expand last mile delivery product portfolio. The company focused on providing sustainable and cost-effective drone integrated electric vehicles to the last mile delivery sector, has entered into a note purchase agreement (NPA) under which it will sell $200 million worth of aggregate principal amount of its 4% senior secured convertible notes due 2024, the notes, to two institutional lenders. Two different lenders. The proceeds of the offering before expenses are expected to be approximately $194.5 million and will be used to increase the accelerate production volume, advance new products to the market, replace previous high-cost financing, and support current working capital and other general corporate business purposes. In addition, WorkHorse has entered into an exchange agreement with the holder of its existing 4.5% convertible notes, the existing notes, to exchange the full $70 million outstanding principal amount of those notes for shares of the company's common stock. After the closing and release of the proceeds, the company will have over $270 million of cash available. I wonder what they're going to use that for. The NPA provides that the notes will initially be convertible into common stock by holders at $36.14 per share. I'd be thinking the stock might go up, which is a premium of 35% over the closing price of the common stock on Friday, October 9th, subject to certain potential closing adjustments based on the average trading price for the 2 trading days prior to closing, and further subject to customary anti-dilution adjustments and adjustments for certain corporate events. The note will mature in 4 years and will bear interest at a rate of 4% per year, which is good. Paid quarterly starting at January 15th, 2021, which rate may be reduced to 2.75%. Wow. It's like an arm, but it goes down. If the company meets certain conditions, interest can be paid at the company's option, either in cash, subject to certain conditions stock. I wonder if they showed these two lenders a little bit of sneaky. And that's why they gave them these awesome terms, because those are amazing terms right now. I'm surprised any business is getting loans right now. So I'm sure they had to show them a little peek. With the financing in place, we can move quickly, advance our production efforts headed into 2021 by increasing our supply chain component volumes, hiring more manufacturing employees, and automating certain sub-assembly processes, said WorkHorse CEO Dwayne Hughes. We can also accelerate our production timeline for new high-demand customer products, including a refrigeration truck for grocery applications. There's that whole Walmart thing, as well as a purpose-built Class 2 delivery van, allowing us to address one of the fastest growing vehicle markets in the U.S. These new vehicles within our portfolio of products, along with the expanding operations of our drone business, will help to further solidify our leadership and reach in the last mile EV, electronic vehicle delivery segment. The notes will be guaranteed by all the company's current and future subsidiaries, will be secured by liens on substantially all the assets of the company and the subsidiaries, and will rank senior in right of payment to all the unsecured debt of the company and subsidiaries. The company will be required to hold the proceeds of the notes in escrow until the company's certain requirements related to the collateral. Fine. The indenture governing the notes includes customary affirmation and negative covenants, including limitations and liens, additional investments, dividends, blah, 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 blah. The NPA provides that the company will enter in a registration rights agreement, providing the registration of the acts. Exchange agreement provides that the holder of the existing notes will exchange $70 million principal amount of the notes, which amounts to 5 million shares, basically, of the company's common stock, subject to certain pre-closing adjustments. Of course, when the exchange is completed, the company will have no further obligations under the existing notes. This is a great deal. The company expects that the sale of the notes and the exchange of the existing notes will be consummated on about 2 days from now. Goldman Sachs, Goldman Sachs and Company LLC served as a financial advisor to WorkHorse. Wow. BTIG LLC acted as a financial advisor to the lenders. What do you think? They did straight up say they're working on the refrigeration stuff, but then it was mainly just increasing production on some things, Nothing 100% USPS, but I mean, come on, man. Why else did they hire Hitachi? How many more orders have they got? Why are they hiring over, what is it, like 200 more people or something right now? I don't know. That's for us to speculate on. However, what happened? This happened to the stock. It just gapped up overnight. Not overnight, but right this morning is blow. People just market ordered millions of dollars. So we have a gap to refill, which is not good, but it is good if we can keep with this good news. We are still obviously hoping we get some news by the end of the week. Stuff's going up. It hit all the way up to almost all-time highs again. All-time highs before 30.88. We only hit 30.60. Okay. We almost hit it. Man, if we would have broke it, it wouldn't have been crazy. We would just went straight to the moon from there. Anyway, it came back down a little bit. Still, we're sitting at like $29. That's fine. I'm guessing it's going to drip a little bit, but I mean, look what happened close of Friday. Came up, dripped a little bit, and then this morning just full blam-low. So hopefully we can continue with some good news. Y'all protect yourself, stay smart, but let's also multiply.